Your breakthrough is near. Child of God, know that weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Psalm 30:5. Do not grow weary in doing good, for in due season we shall reap if we do not lose heart. Galatians 6:9. Behold, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs forth. Do you not perceive it? Isaiah 43:19. Remember, there are moments when it feels like the walls are closing in, when prayers seem unanswered and the wait grows long. But hear this truth, your breakthrough is near. God is never late. He is a God of perfect timing. Just as he brought Joseph out of the prison and into the palace in a single, a Genesis 41, just as he opened the Red Sea for the Israelites at the last possible moment, Exodus 14, and just as he raised Lazarus from the dead after 4 days, John 11, he is more than able to change your situation in an instant. You may not see it now, but God is working behind the scenes. Every tear you've cried, every time you've chosen faith over fear, every battle you've faced, none of it has been in vain. He sees, he knows, and he cares. Remember Job? After all his suffering, the Lord restored his fortunes and gave him twice as much as he had before. Job 42:10. What looked like the end was actually the setup for a greater testimony. Your trial is not your conclusion, it's the turning point. The midnight hour doesn't last forever. Morning is coming. The same God who shut the mouths of lions for Daniel, who gave Sarah a child in her old age, who healed the woman with the issue of blood, is the God who holds your life in his hands. Don't give up. Don't let the enemy convince you that nothing's changing. Faith isn't about what you feel, it's about who you trust. Your breakthrough may come suddenly, or it may come step by step, but it is coming. The season is shifting. The rain is on the horizon. God is opening doors no man can shut, Revelation 3:8, making a way in the wilderness and streams in the desert, Isaiah 43:19. Hold on to your hope. Stand on his promises. Keep praying, keep praising, keep pressing. Your story isn't over. It's just beginning.